Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change theme in Gmail. Friends, this is a default white and grey theme of Gmail, and to change it you need to click on this gear icon, and here you need to click on themes. Now here you will find lot of beautiful themes. Click here to see more images, and here you will find lot of beautiful themes available in Gmail. You can select any of these themes by just clicking it. I go with this one and click on select. Friends, as you can see, my whole Gmail look is changed and now it's more colorful. So friends, like this you can make your Gmail more beautiful. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.